add it. I'm going to add this LED red to my tube. Okay, just drag and release. Don't press Ctrl, don't worry, just drag and release. Now this indoor pool, I'm going to add it to my water object. Okay, just drag and release. Now this metal, let me scroll down. Now our metal object, I'm going to drag it on these two handles. And this white material, I'm going to drag it on this outer object. Okay, I think we got, so I'm going to save that. I think we got what we want, right? Now, actually, I'm going to use a plugin to actually render this model. Okay, I'm not going to use AutoCAD, but if you want to use AutoCAD, let me just close this. If you want to use AutoCAD, it's actually very easy to do. Just come over here, select the size that you want. Here you can actually reduce this so that you have a fast rendering. Then to render, you can just click on this, then it will start rendering. So you wait for it to reach 100%, then you will have a good render. But I'm actually going to use NX3 render, but my NX3 render is not actually installed on this AutoCAD 2018. It's actually installed in my older version of AutoCAD 2007. So I'm going to open the AutoCAD now and render my the model inside the NXT plugin. So I'm going to open my 2007. Here is it. So before that, I'm going to close it over here so that I'll be able to open it over there. So I'm going to save, yes, save. So I'm going to go over here and open it. Swimming pool. Swimming pool is what I saved it with. So swimming pool. So I'll open it over here. Swimming pool. Now open. Yeah, it's actually loading. It's actually loading. So wait for it to load. So after loading, the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, you're not seeing the end point of this actually. So it's actually like we are on parallel projection. So I'm going to switch over to perspective. So perspective actually looks more real compared to parallel. Okay, so I'm going to just zoom into this. So I'll pan up so now I'll be able to see it clearly. Okay, I think it's okay this way. I'm going to go back, I'm going to type NXT for my NXT renderer. Now I have it over here. I'm going to go to my lighting, advanced, I'll switch on my sun, come to sun. I think the time is okay, it's okay. So I'm going to leave every other thing, then I'll render. Click on render. And you see what we're going to have now. Now this is the result of what we're going to have. Let's see the result of the swimming pool we just made. Exactly. I think we're having a real or realistic swimming pool, right? Okay, so let me just change the time. Let me just change the time of the sun from the sun tab. Just gonna change the time or the calendar. Let me change the calendar to August. Okay, August